everyone, this is Cheryl again from Salad Master here in Perth. Now I want to show you today how to make tom yum noodle. So what I normally do, I normally fry the chicken first. So after frying, that's when I make the noodle. Because that flavor from the chicken will help the noodle taste better. You don't need to do this part. If you don't like the chicken, you can just put water directly. 2.5 cups of water. And then heat up the cookware. I'll put it at 230 degrees. I'll wait 1 minute and it's ready. While we wait for the water to heat up, let me cut the vegetable first. First, I want to cut some onion. So with the onion, what you need to do, just remove the two end part and then cut it in half. So you don't need to peel because the machine will peel it for you. Red cabbage, cone number 4. Green cabbage, cone number 4. Cone number 2, zucchini. Cone number 2 for carrot. Cone number 4 for mushroom. And capsicum. After 1 minute, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of tom yum. This depends how much spicy you want it to be. You want more spice? Then you have to put more. Tom yum that I'm using is this particular brand. Now the noodle that I'm using is a YY vermicelli. So I'll put 4 pieces. I'll just turn it over just so the dry ingredient will get some moisture. And then I'm going to put all the vegetables. So you don't need to fry the garlic and the onion. This is the easiest way of making a stir-fry tom yum noodle. This is optional. You can also add some chicken pieces. Then you cover it. It's at 230 degrees Celsius and you'll cook it for 2 minutes. Yes, that is 2 minutes and you have a very nice tom yum noodle. After 2 minutes, this is how it looks like. Look at the color of the vegetable. Color is vitamins, flavor is minerals. So everything you cook in Salad Master, you keep the 93% nutrition from the vegetable that you are cooking. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!